Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning. Today I would like to present regarding for our research on investigating student involvement in online business, a theory of planned behavior approach. Content, okay, we discussed actually for this presentation. The first one is introduction, research question, research objective, problem statement, framework, literature review, methodology, finding, recommendation, and conclusion. Okay, according to actually to the introduction, right, we can actually we can find that in the recent years, online business in Malaysia has grown quickly and changed the way people start and run the business. It have many people, especially for the young people, okay, young people and women, and a easier way to begin their business that can match their goal and their lifestyle. Okay, from the bar chart, we can see by 2024, Malaysia had more than 28 million internet users and its online shopping market was worth over RM 45 billion. Okay. It can show that Malaysia is a strong place for digital platform business. Still, the success depends not only on the market but also on personal factors such as desire, motivation, and intention. Because of this, it's very important to study how personal factors can affect the business, behavior, and customer relationship in Malaysia online market. The participants reflect the growing entrepreneurial spirit among young people in Malaysia who are influenced by changing consumer behavior, digital trend, and the flexibility offered by social media commerce. Now we go to the research question and research objective. For we from actually our study, we can find 5 research question and 5 research objective. For the research objective, the first one to examine the influence of personal desire on student involvement in online business venture. Number 2, to analyze the relationship between personal desire and the 3 TPB contract, which are attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control among student entrepreneurs. Number 3, to evaluate how this TPB contract collectively impacts student entrepreneur decision and customer engagement in online business. Number 4, to assess the moderating role of perceived behavioral control in the relationship between personal desire and sustained online business involvement. Or number 5, to provide strategic insight for educational institution and policymaker to support student entrepreneurship in the digital business environment. For the research question, point number 1, how does personal desire influence student involvement in online business activity? For point number 2, what is the relationship between personal desire and the TPB contract, which are attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control among student entrepreneurs? Point number 3, to what extent do attitude, subjective norm, and perceived behavior control influence student entrepreneur intention and action in the online business context? Or number 4, does perceived behavior control moderate the relationship between personal desire and sustained participant in the online business? And point number 5, what strategic support mechanism can be recommended for university and policymaker to foster sustainable digital entrepreneurship among students? Okay, now I can go to the problem statement and the issue that can be determined. Okay, we can see the rise of digital business in Malaysia has changed how university students, especially final year students, run their business on through the social media platform like Shopee, TikTok Shop, Lazada, and Instagram. However, they have several and problem can be exist. Okay, the first one, we can see academic pressure, lack of formal business training, limited financial silicon knowledge, and fast-changing digital trend create challenges that make student business less stable. Another one, student can use digital tool but still lack strong skill in planning, okay, business decision, and understanding their customer. Okay, now we go to the framework. Okay, we can see for the independent variable is personal desire. They move to the moderating TPB construct, which are attitude, subject, norm, passive control, and the behavior intention. Directly, we can go to the independent variable through online business. The purpose of the research is to study how personal desire can influence involvement in online business, especially among student entrepreneurs in university. This framework can be designed to see whether change in the student personal desire can affect their involvement and success in online business. Potential review, okay, we can actually find out they have 2 points there. The first one is online business. The second one is personal desire. According to the online business, okay, digital marketing strategy like social media marketing, email marketing, and online advertising can play an important role in attracting actually students to entrepreneurship and have a strong influence on student interest in business. For point number two is the personal desire. You can see it can link direct to opportunity that can the online business can provide a highlight the importance of digital literacy platform based on the skill needed to use technology effectively. Number two, it can help identify strategy to support young entrepreneur by offering solutions that develop capable, confident student entrepreneurs while change can be remained. Another one, it can fostering an entrepreneurial culture by encouraging students to develop and add on their business passion. University and other institutions can create environment where more young people are motivated to explore and sustain online businesses. Okay, according to the methodology, okay, we use based on the three parts. The first one is population. Only 200 UPTM students aged 18 to 25 years who are running online business. Okay, the participant use the social media platform through Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp. For data collection, the method used in the study through the questionnaire. We distribute the questionnaire survey and questionnaire to the student. All right, especially for the final year student, okay, actually we're taking actually for the entrepreneurial subject. For data analysis, we use the descriptive analysis and the thematic through social through SPSS and Excel. According to the finding, right, for the actually for the statistic, okay, the mean score will measure on the 5-point Likert scale, where higher number shows stronger agreement. A mean score of 4.0 or higher means strong agreement. Score below 3.0 means disagreement, and a score of 3.0 means a moderate or neutral agreement. Right? Another one actually regarding this actually ni, the score for personal desire are high, mean 4.19 to 4.25, shows students have strong motivation for online business, which lead to more students becoming young entrepreneurs. From the table, it shows that on average, students strongly agreed with statement about their motivation and willingness to try entrepreneurship online. Right? For table 2, they can show the reliability analysis for independent variable. The reliability shows if the measurement scale can be trusted. A value below 0.6 means the consistency is not good, while value above 0.6 are acceptable and over 0.8 are considered good. The closer to the alpha value is to 1.0, the more reliable the measurement is. In this study, all reliable score range from 0.676 to 0.763. This number are a bit acceptable. Show actually from the table and the value are above 0.6. It means that the variable have good reliability. For table 3, they can show to the correlation analysis. So, right, for the correlation analysis, look how variables are be connected. In the study, you can check taking part of the online business is be related to the personal desire. All right, but based on the point, a negative correlation are more than zero, mean that when one variable goes up, the other goes down. The study showed the correlation result between the variables. there is a moderate negative correlation between online business and personal desire. And this means that online business activity increase, personal desire tend to decrease. For table 4, it shows based on the hypothesis testing how it can help to decide if the study idea through the hypothesis are be selected, be supported or not by the data and reliability. By using SPSS software test and hypothesis with the rule that is converged alpha is zero point 0.6 or higher, the results are be reliable and can be accepted. But if the reliability is low, below 0.58, the hypothesis must be rejected, even if the correlation is being strong. According to the recommendation, all right, we have several recommendations can be actually can be found through the study. The first one, it can improve entrepreneur education and training. Number two, it can provide strong university support and mentorship program in the university. Number three, offer policy and financial help, okay, for to supporting in the financial condition. For number four, with a boost digital confidence and resilience, okay, to promoting and advertise with a actually student product and services, okay, in the market. And point number five, to turn desire into action. All right. Okay, based on the program that can show actually can program can be done, okay, can be implemented in the university. For the conclusion, the study highlight how the TPB or theory of planned behavior can help explain customer attitude and action in online business. It focused on the connection between the factors, especially how personal desire affect online digital entrepreneurship. This study also conclude the involvement of students in online business through social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and WhatsApp demonstrate a growing entrepreneurial spirit among young entrepreneurs at UPTM. Right, it can be the finding also can show the social media provide accessible, low cost, and highly actually interactive avenue for students to explore entrepreneurship while balanced with the academic responsibility, right? Okay, and then the study also can emphasize the student involvement into online business is not only a pathway for financial independence, but also a valuable experience that cultivates innovation, reliance, and entrepreneurial intention among them. Through the social media entrepreneurship among student, UPTM student, hold great potential to contribute to the both personal development and the broader entrepreneurial ecosystem in Malaysia. Okay, that's all. Thank you.